Hey, welcome back. So, pretty much pointless for me to be recording this, I think, because I'm just figuring this out and what people want, and so who knows if I'll even use this. But I've just got some onions, red onion in here. I heat it up with a little bit of the blended extra virgin olive oil with the canola oil mix. Blended oil. Just add a little dash in there because I got distracted. And so I've got some steak right here that I cut up just in cubes that I've aged for about 10 days. And so you can see it's really pretty marbled steak that I got in a little light marinade, but it's about 10 days. So I'm going to throw that in there with the onions. And I'm just going to do that really quick because that's going to absorb all that flavor in there. While I'm doing that, it's already got just a little bit of salt. And that's all. So I've already got balsamic, a little bit in there with the oil, the garlic, in that marinade that was in with the steak. Oh, whatever. I like mine rare, but so. But honestly, so this is already done. The point of this video is just how quick it is. Like, I didn't want to cook it all, and that's the point. Like, everything's ready to go already. Onion in the container, you know. Next we're gonna do, well, first we're gonna, because I like mine medium rare, so that's already medium rare right there. Not a little more medium because they're cubes. And then I'm just going to go in with some corn, canned corn. And then just some little peas. They're good, they're organic, actually, but they are from a can, you know, so you know, you find the organic little green beans on sale, these little sweet peas. Go for it when they're organic, sure. Why not? So you got some mixed, just cabbage, just basic dry pre-coleslaw mix basically, but just going in with that. Got a little bit of carrots, and then I have marinated carrots also. You know, and then, you know, I always have my, you know, just a little bit of garlic peeled. Shit, but don't eat garlic. That's not good. There we go. And then, yeah, so I'm just reduce a little bit. Then I'm gonna go actually in with some ham. I just cut up a little bit of ham that I got donated, so I'm gonna utilize that since I'm eating a lot of protein today, or tonight. I only eat once a day for the last year. I've been intermittent fasting, so I just eat in a 2-hour window every day, so that's fun. But yeah. So then anyway, okay. Oh, and then right now I'm gonna go with the soy chili ponzu. So what's cool about this is it's shelf stable actually, but I just threw it in there because I don't know why I put it in there actually. But this is just a little bit of the fermented chili paste. You know, sweet, super spicy chili paste. But then you just do a little bit of that in there with a little bit of soy sauce. Because I've had this soy sauce for a few months and it's still going strong. So, because I just use a little bit, stretch that in there. A little bit of balsamic. This is raw, unfiltered with mother vinegar. So good. So yeah, you can just shake that up. But if you like open up a can of corn, like I did with this, for example, and you got that corn juice, you can just use the corn juice, put that in there. Same thing with like green beans, whatever, just a little bit. But just things to stretch it out and keep it going. So it's like a shelf-stable stock that's sweet and spicy. You can keep changing it how you like. Yeah. And so I got these tomatoes from, well, the church. But so I just have some tomatoes and a little bit of oil and salt, Himalayan salt, of course. And so you can just crush these in the pan, or you can just leave them like this. So yeah, these are ready to go. Also, I have the tomatoes, these little popper tomatoes, because they go on sale, and they're expensive for, well, I don't know. But anyway, so the tomatoes I also have in the refrigerator, or actually over here. I don't have in the refrigerator. I have them right here. These are pickled now, but they're not hot cans, so I can just open them up. Just your pickling mix, so these are good to go. Alright, so, yeah, it's a pretty looking pan in here going around. But I'm saving gas, I don't need that. Yeah, and then we already have our noodles right here, pre-done. So, in with the noodles. Just go. That's fine. That's fine, they'll eat all that. Will we? Oops. That's right. Because I'm actually going to go, I have these spinach-filled tortellinis, so I'm going to save some of that pasta. Yeah, so these are pre-cooked right here. I've been eating these all week, but these are in a little oil marinade. Just these little guys. Little guys. So these have spinach in them and a little bit of cheese, ricotta. So just in with there. These are already cooked. I'm just gonna eat all of these tonight. So yeah, and I've been eating those for the last 4 days. So they're finally here. So that's a cheap thing you get at the store. You can just keep that in a marinade. I just marinated those tortellinis, by the way, in that soy chili ponzu sauce. So it keeps it, because there's oil in that. Oh, I forgot, big mention. There is the extra virgin and canola oil mixed in the soy chili ponzu, obviously. So, yeah, and that's it. So, this could have already been done, but I'm just going to add in my tomato sauce right now. And then I have my steak right here. It's already cooked. And then we have a nice bread that I made. So just have some bread, and you always gotta have. Oh, you always got to have your Kerrygold butter, don't you know? Don't you know? Oh man, you don't go with a blue bonnet around these parts. Oh no, you get the damn Kerrygold, okay? All right, that's enough of that. Homemade caramel sauce. Okay. Pickled petals of cactus. Yeah. Alright, that's all. I'm sorry for zooming in on my cigarette stained teeth so much. Okay, so that's it. I'm just gonna kill this heat. Just saying hi. Namaste, one love, God bless. You're all awesome. Peace.